अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड, कैसे हो? उम्मीद है सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं मोस्ट रिपीटेड पेडागोजी एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करता हूँ जो जीएटी, पीएटी और ईएसटी के लिए मुफीद है। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क ऑफ टीचर, उस्ताद का सबसे अहम काम क्या है? टू ऑर्गेनाइज टीचर वर्क, उस्ताद के काम को मुनज़्ज़म करने के लिए। A teacher should be, एक टीचर को होना चाहिए ड्यूटीफुल। Environmental education should be taught in school because माहौलियाती तालीम स्कूल में पढ़ाई जानी चाहिए क्योंकि it is important of life, ये ज़िंदगी का अहम हिस्सा है। At primary level it is better to teach in mother language, प्राइमरी सतह पर मादरी ज़बान में उस्ताद बेहतर है क्योंकि इट्स हेल्प चिल्ड्रन इन लर्निंग इन नेचुरल एटमॉस्फेयर, है बच्चों को कुदरती माहौल में सीखने में मदद मिलता है। वोमेन आर बेटर टीचर एट प्राइमरी लेवल बिकॉज, प्राइमरी सतह के लिए उस्तानियाँ बेहतर है पढ़ाने के लिए। दे बिहेव मोर पेशेंटली विद चिल्ड्रन, वो बच्चों के साथ ज़्यादा तहामुल से पेश आते हैं। You have been selected in all the 4 professions given below. Where would you like to go? आपको नीचे दिए गए चारों पेशों में मुंतखब किया गया है, आप कहाँ जाना चाहेंगे? टीचर। What is the most important while writing on blackboard? ब्लैकबोर्ड पर लिखते वक्त सबसे अहम काम क्या होना चाहिए? गुड राइटिंग, अच्छी लिखाई होना चाहिए। हाँ स्टूडेंट कम लेट इन योर क्लास देन यू विल, एक तालिब इल्म आपकी क्लास में देर से आते हैं तो आप क्या करोगे? ट्राई टू नो द रीज़न, देर आने की वजह पूछी जाए। द सक्सेस ऑफ टीचर इज़, एक कामयाब उस्ताद वो होता है गुड टीचिंग, जो अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ाए। A teacher is serious defect if he she, एक उस्ताद में शदीद हैब है अगर। हैज़ मेंचर मेंटल डेवलपमेंट, नापुख्ता जहनी नशोनुमा है। Her defa wali fair is being organized in your school. What should you like to do? To take part in function. The most important trait of student is obedience. The purpose of basic education scheme is to fulfill a basic need to person taught education. You are teaching a topic in class. In a student asks a question unrelated to the topic. What will you do? You will answer the question after the class. If you are unable to get a job of teacher, then you will continue applying for teaching. A teacher can motivate the students by giving suitable prizes. National Council of Education Research and Training was established in 1961. Essay type tests are not reliable because their checking is affected by examiner mood. A guardian never comes to see you in school. You will go to meet him yourself. To maintain interest among students in class, a teacher should ask questions. The purpose of new education policy is to improve the whole education system. To raise the standard of education, it is necessary to evaluate students continuously. What is most important for a teacher? To remove difficulties of students. Why students should play game in school? It develops co-education and physical balance. Family is a means of informal education. There is a tension among villagers and you are a teacher there. What will you do? You will try to pacify them. A teacher can develop social values among students by behaving ideally. What will you do in a leisure time in school? You will check homework of students. A teacher asks the question in the class to attract student attention. You like teaching profession because you are interested in it. How the student should be motivated to get success in life. Intensive study. In a context of the habit of absenteeism of student, the teacher should take it as a serious problem. To whom the responsibility of organization of curricular activities should be stored with the principal. When the student try to solve the questions in some different way as taught by the teacher from prescribed books, then these students should be encouraged to consult from other books on the subject. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.